The competition isn't over until that gold medal is around my neck. I don't care if I'm in event 1 or event 14 and I mathematically already have the competition won. I'm fighting for every point possible. You have to have this mindset of that I am the best, I am strong, nothing can beat me. I have horse lungs, like no one can take in more oxygen than me, no one's more powerful than me. You know, a lot of people want the magic wand, they want the, what's your secret? What's your secret? And I'm like, there is no secret.
Do you do that for your own brain, or do you do that for everybody else's brain?
I'm always trying to convince myself that I'm invincible. I'm trying to convince myself that I recover better. I'm trying to convince myself that my nutrition is better. Who knows if I actually am? I'm telling myself that so that I don't have an excuse during the event when I'm in full pain mode. I want my competitors to feel hopeless. I wanted my competitors to be fighting for second place. This is going to end. Whether it's this singular workout, the singular movement, or the singular competition, whatever it is, it's going to end. If you give your full effort right now, you push yourself to the absolute limit, 18, 20 minutes of your day, that's nothing for, to have the results that I want to be having. This is such a small window of your day, but the results are going to last forever.